Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of profitable upcycled wooden jewelry boxes. Craft project design ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In the intricate world of woodworking, there is something undeniably poetic about turning forgotten scraps of wood into something precious. Among the many craft projects available to a modern-day artisan, few are as creatively fulfilling and commercially viable as crafting upcycled wooden jewelry boxes. These small, intimate containers not only hold valuables, but also embody the deeper value of transformation. For the dedicated craftsman, they represent a unique opportunity to blend art, sustainability, and entrepreneurship into a singularly beautiful outcome. Upcycled wooden jewelry boxes begin with materials that many would overlook: old furniture parts, leftover floorboards, broken cabinet doors, even discarded pallets. Where others see waste, the woodworker sees potential. The act of upcycling is not just recycling, it is reimagining. It is looking at a weathered table leg and envisioning a carved corner piece. It is seeing the grain beneath the grime and recognizing a story waiting to be told in the lines and layers of old wood. Each jewelry box crafted from such beginnings carries with it a rich sense of history and character that cannot be replicated with new materials. This approach to woodworking is not only environmentally responsible but economically smart. Upcycled materials are often inexpensive or even free, drastically reducing production costs. This means that even a craftsman working from a small garage workshop can build high-quality, marketable pieces with minimal overhead. And yet, the resulting product, carefully constructed, lovingly detailed, and environmentally conscious, can command premium prices in today's increasingly values-driven marketplace. Consumers are no longer just shopping for aesthetics. They are shopping for ethics, for stories, for handmade craftsmanship with purpose. Jewelry boxes are particularly well-suited to this kind of thoughtful creation. Their compact size allows for the use of smaller, oddly shaped wood scraps, making them ideal for maximizing material efficiency. But despite their small footprint, they offer endless possibilities for creativity and detail. Sliding compartments, hidden drawers, velvet-lined trays, engraved lids. Each box is a canvas for craftsmanship. In this sense, jewelry boxes allow the craftsman to showcase a wide range of skills in joinery, carving, finishing, and design, all within a single project. They become miniature showcases of mastery. From a business perspective, these boxes are a sweet spot of affordability and luxury. They are priced accessibly enough to appeal to a wide audience: gift shoppers, newlyweds, parents, and collectors, while still maintaining a sense of exclusivity and handmade charm. In online marketplaces like Etsy, handmade jewelry boxes are consistently popular, often favored for weddings, anniversaries, or milestone birthdays. A woodworker who focuses on upcycled jewelry boxes can develop a strong brand identity centered around sustainability, craftsmanship, and meaningful design, all of which attract loyal customers. Moreover, each box tells a story that can be shared with the buyer. This storytelling element becomes a powerful marketing tool. For example, a jewelry box crafted from reclaimed oak floorboards could come with a small note: "This box began its life in a century-old farmhouse. Every knot and grain holds a whisper of the past, now preserved in a new form." These personal touches build emotional connections between product and customer. They transform a simple container into an heirloom. The scale of production is also highly adaptable. A single artisan can create unique one-of-a-kind pieces or produce a cohesive collection that appeals to boutique retailers and gift shops. For those with access to a larger workshop or a small team, there's even potential to scale operations to meet wholesale demands. Yet, even in scaling, the intimacy and care of the original craft can be preserved, especially when the foundation is built on upcycled material and intentional design. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The online world provides fertile ground for selling and promoting these creations. Platforms like Instagram and YouTube are ideal for sharing the crafting journey, from sourcing the wood to finishing the final coat of polish. People love process, and behind-the-scenes videos showing transformation from scrap to stunning can generate engagement and trust. Tutorials, storytelling, time-lapse builds, each piece of content helps build a community around the craft. And that community often turns into a loyal customer base. A craftsman who communicates their values, shares their process, and listens to their audience creates more than just income. They create impact. Beyond the monetary opportunity, there is a quieter, more personal reward in crafting upcycled wooden jewelry boxes. In a fast-paced, disposable world, the act of creating something lasting and lovely from discarded material becomes an act of quiet resistance. It is a reminder that beauty exists even in the overlooked, that careful hands and thoughtful design can restore dignity to forgotten things. There is a sense of personal fulfillment that comes from this act of renewal. It grounds the craftsman in purpose and invites them to slow down, to notice details, to care. It also invites creativity. Since each piece of upcycled wood is unique, no two boxes are ever exactly the same. This keeps the work engaging and fresh. The wood itself often guides the design. The curve of a knot might inspire the shape of a lid. The tone of aged walnut might suggest a minimalist style, while the irregularity of an old beam could lead to a rustic aesthetic. In this way, the creative process becomes a conversation between the material and the maker. Education, too, can be an extension of this craft. Workshops that teach others how to make upcycled jewelry boxes can be a fulfilling way to connect, share knowledge, and generate income. Whether offered in person at local makerspaces or online through classes and tutorials, teaching this skill spreads the values of sustainability and creativity. It creates more makers, more awareness, and ultimately, more appreciation for the craft itself. The opportunity to create upcycled wooden jewelry boxes is rich with both artistic and financial reward. It is a craft rooted in respect for the material, for the process, and for the story behind every object. For the modern craftsman, this niche offers a sustainable path forward, one that blends tradition with innovation, ethics with elegance. In the small, quiet form of a jewelry box lies something profound, proof that beauty can be reclaimed, that purpose can be built from the past, and that success can be measured not just in profit, but in presence, care, and craft. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked a profitable upcycled wooden jewelry boxes craft project design ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.